Hi everybody, Sandra here from Create in Spain with some very important information. Okay, firstly, I am changing my upload time from 7:30 a.m, which is GMT +2, by the way, because I'm in Europe, to between 11 and 12 noon. So that's the first one. The notifications are going to be a little later. Now that leads me on to the second part of this video. Now, subscribers who turned on all notifications for my channel, they're running at 15.8% of my subscribers, which is fairly average. But the subscribers who turned on all notifications for my channel and then enabled YouTube notifications is only just over 10%. 5% of you think that you're getting notifications when you're actually not. And that's not a good situation for either of us. So I thought I would bring you up to date with the latest method of making sure that you get all your notifications from YouTube that you actually want. The first thing that you have to do is to log into the right YouTube account. So, if you're watching YouTube from multiple accounts or whatever, just make sure you're clicked into the right one and you're logged into that. Number 2 is to click on the bell icon. Now, most people know about this already. What YouTube is bringing in, however, are different ways of getting your notifications, in that you can set them to all, none, or personalized. That was the word I was looking for, personalized. Now, if you have your notifications set to personalized, you will see a hollow bell, not the solid one. So, you know what you're getting. So you want to click on the bell icon. You want to set it to all, so that you do get all your notifications from your favorite channels. And you need to check that your device is allowing notifications. Now, this is where things split slightly. If you're on Android, you go to settings, you go to apps, you go to notifications, you go to YouTube, and then you set to on. Okay. With the iPhone, you go to settings, notifications, YouTube, and set to on. Now, the personalized one, now you might think that you're just going to be able to pick and choose exactly what you get, but that's not what the personalized thing means. It may not give you all notifications from your subscribed channels. YouTube has suffered in the past with the sheer number of notifications that it needs to send out, and you're not necessarily going to get all of them. They're trying to make it better, but we don't know yet whether that is succeeding or not. What it will do, however, is send you things that it thinks you want. It's rather like your suggested video list in your home page. You might want to watch. But because of the metrics of this, it's most likely going to give you stuff from the big channels and leave the little guys out of it. It's going to come up with the most clicked on, the most watched videos. The more people watch, the more it gets shown. The more it gets shown, the more it gets watched. And it is a rolling ball like that. So if you still want to see all the videos from your favorite channels that you have actually subscribed to, the solution is to click on the all. I just find it very surprising that out of all the subscribers I've got, the people who are coming to watch my videos, most of them are new people and not the subscribers who said, hey, we want to see your content. Doesn't that strike you as just a little bit odd? It does me. So it does make me think there are a lot of people who think they've subscribed, they think they're getting the notifications, and they're just not getting them. So I chose to put this in a separate video so you can either watch it or not, depending on whether you were interested, rather than shoving it on every video that you see, which drives me demented if I watch a video. There we go. Thanks for watching. I will leave some more interesting videos linked up here. Take care.